What?
The tunnel's right here.
What?
No. I don't want to go tunnel. This is the tunnel.
You don't want what?
I don't like to. No. When we go to the tunnel, we'll get scared. I'm scared from tunnels. Balloon!
You're staring off the camera?
A balloon! A balloon!
Where?
That is in the sky. Where is it? Where's the sky?
Oh yeah.
That's a balloon. Daddy,
Yeah.
we also can find hot air balloons, right?
Yeah, hot air balloons.
Yeah, that's what they call it. Hot air balloons.
Right.
Ready? Hot air balloon. Ready? One day I want to go to a hot air balloon.
Really?
Yeah, really.
You think it's fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should do that one day.
And then it'll break.
Yeah.
And then it'll fall down.
Yeah.
And then we'll hurt ourselves.
No, you're not gonna fall down and hurt yourself.
Oh.
That's not gonna happen. We're gonna go have fun. Go up, 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 and see the city beneath us. It's gonna be awesome.
And then you'll see all. And then you'll see our country, right?
Yeah, it's gonna be. We're gonna see the country. You're right.
You'll see everything, right?
Yes.
Daddy, we didn't go.
What? Huh?
Daddy,
What do you want?
Daddy,
I.
trying.
Catch me. Okay, take a video of Matthew, Peter. Don't push the red one. It's already rigging it, so don't push the red one. Don't push. Just hold it. Just hold it like that. Take a picture of Peter. Peter.
No!
No, that the other way. Look, turn it like that. You can take a picture of